Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Xbox controller to PC fast method step by step clearly. To connect your Xbox controller to your PC, start by ensuring your controller is charged or has fresh batteries. Next, power on your PC and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. If you are using a wireless Xbox controller, press and hold the Xbox button to turn it on. Now, locate the pairing button on the controller, which is located on the top near the USB-C port. Press and hold the pairing button until the Xbox button starts flashing. On your PC, go to the Settings menu by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Devices section. Click on Bluetooth and Other Devices from the left sidebar. Now, click the Add Bluetooth or Other Device button at the top. Select Bluetooth when prompted for the type of device you want to add. Your PC will start searching for available devices. Once your Xbox controller appears in the list, wait for your PC to confirm that the controller is connected. If you're using a wired connection, simply plug the USB cable into both the controller and the PC. The PC should automatically recognize the controller without any additional steps. Once connected, you can test the controller by opening a game or the Xbox game bar. And that's it. Your Xbox controller is now successfully connected to your PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.